In this topic, we have to convert rational functions into its partial fraction. Partial fraction means simpler fraction. So the first case is with linear factors. What does it mean? Linear factor means the denominator will have all linear factors, just like in this example. 2x plus 1, x minus 3 are both linear. So as per rule, we have to let one fraction with obviously unknown numerator, say it's a, we have to let fraction for every factor. So it's a over 2x plus 1, which is the first factor, and b over x minus 3. If there was one more factor, just like in this example b, there are three linear factors. So we have to let this as a over x plus 1, b over x minus 3, and c over x minus 2. So for each factor there is one fraction we have to let. So I'm going to do the simpler example right now. It's x plus 8, the part a, over x minus 1 and x plus 2. So according to the rule, we have to let a over x minus 1, the first factor, plus b over x plus 2, the second factor. So now, in order to convert this rational function into its partial fractions, we only need to find a and b values. So to find the a and b values, what can we do? We can cross multiply this denominator. Cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we are going to get x plus 8 identical to, so it's x minus 1, x plus 2 is going to be multiplied with a over x minus 1, and this is also multiplied with second fraction, which is b over x plus 2. We can see that one factor is cancelled here each, so this becomes an identity. X plus 8 is identical to x plus 2 times a and x minus 1 times b. Now to find the a and b, since it's an identity, we know that identities are true for all real values of x. We can let any x value. But for simplification, if I let x equals to 1, for example, so this part will become 0 because I'm letting x equals to 1. I can let any x value, is allowed by the identity. I'm taking x equals to 1 so that I get this part 0, and I can get the a value directly. So I'm going to plug in 1 for x. So it's 1 plus 8 equals to 1 plus 2 times a plus 0 times b, and this gives us the value of a, which is 3. So a is 3. Similarly, we can let any other x value to get the b value, and the suitable value will be x equals to minus 2, so that this time this part becomes 0 and we get the b value directly. So I'm going to let x equals to minus 2. So it's minus 2 plus 8 is equals to, so 0 times a plus minus 2 minus 1 times b. This gives us 6 equals to minus 3b, and this gives us the b value, which is minus 2. So the rational function that we were trying to convert into its partial fraction, this is identical to, so it's x plus 8. In fact, I should use this sign. So x plus 8 over x minus 1, x plus 2, this is identical to 3 over x minus 1 minus 2 over x plus 2. They are identical as x plus 2. This is how we convert any rational function into its partial fraction. Now look at example B. Now there are three factors, so we have to deal with the ABC 3 constants here. The method remains same.